Okay, I am in the Google Sheet, as you can see over here. I just made it a lot larger so that you can see. Okay, and over here, I just use the now function, right, to extract the system date and time, right, which is the today's date. Right. Now, I do not want everything. Right, I do not want all this. Okay, date, month, time. I just want to extract the year, and I want to put it here. Okay. Now, to do that, you actually have a function that is year. Oh, well, you will see there's two. One is year, right, to extract the year, and the other one is to extract the difference, right, between the two dates in year. Okay, I'm not going to use this. I'm going to use this one over here. Okay, and I will extract from this particular cell B2 and close the bracket, and you can see you can actually extract the year using the year function. Right. Of course, there are other functions for you to explore, but this is one uh, of the many functions available inside Google Sheet.